Have you been looking for a performance sedan with styling that won't break the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint in Alpha White. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, mirror and black V Scudetto grille, 18-inch aluminum wheels, run flat tires, lane departure warning, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, Alpha DNA drive modes, split folding rear seats, DUAL-PANE panoramic sunroof, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6311.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.